I'm Ashley and I'm here with Grey Wolf by Cherokee. Today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 22RR Black Label. Let's take a look inside. The 22RR is a rear ramp model, so that is going to provide you with a ramp door on the back of your unit. That gives you easy access into the unit if you have motorcycles, four-wheelers, kayaks, whatever, anything that you want to put in the unit. As you come inside, you can see this huge space, so you have plenty of room for any of those items that you want to bring with you. When you first come in, you have this dining area. Your dining area can also double as a large sleeping space. So all of our spaces are meant to be multi-purpose. Something new that we added for this year to give you even more space is these sofas can actually be completely detached from the wall. So that gives you tons of room for any of the items that you need to bring in. As we move into the kitchen area, you can see some of our newest updates, like our new cabinet color. We have new hardware. We also have new upholstery on our sofas, dinettes, and a new linoleum color. Because this is a Black Label model, you'll have your upgraded countertop material. You have your huge farmhouse sink. We include these sink covers and the glass cover on your stove, so you have plenty of extra counter space. On the opposite side of the kitchen, you have this huge pantry, so you have plenty of space for your food and drinks. Also, you have your 12-volt refrigerator. This is 11 cubic feet, so it's very large. Something really great about this refrigerator is that it can be ran, of course, on electric when you're hooked up at your campsite, but it can also be ran on the Cherokee Juice Pack system. This year, the Cherokee Juice Pack is going to include a 100-watt solar panel, your battery, and your battery disconnect. As we move forward in the unit, you can see the spacious bathroom. You have the radius shower with the skylight, so that provides plenty of natural light, also some extra ceiling height for those taller people. Because this is a Black Label, you have your upgraded faucet, and in all of the Grey Wolf models this year, we will have the tankless hot water heater, so that will provide you with unlimited hot water. As we move forward in the unit, we have the private bedroom, so you have your full-size bed, plenty of storage with your full bank of cabinets with storage doors. You also have your wardrobes for your hanging space. Underneath your bed, you have a huge storage space that you can access by lifting the mattress or from the cargo door on the exterior of the unit. The 22RR and all of our Grey Wolf models include the Cherokee Total Control System. This is going to allow you to control your lights, slide outs, awnings, and your backup camera all from your cell phone. In addition to that, we have the driven Bluetooth radio, so that will allow you to listen to all of your favorite music directly from your cell phone. To the exterior of the unit, you have your outside entertainment set up, so you can hang your TV right here, watch a game or a movie with your friends, your speakers, all of your hookups, your power awning with your blue LED lights. You also have the Cherokee stable step and your glass door. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more information on the Grey Wolf 22RR Black Label, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/greywolf.